Hi, Jason Buckner here from Automation Made Easy, and today I want to help you with automating your affiliate marketing business. So there are a few things, a few simple steps that we need to take to automate our affiliate marketing business that I see a lot of affiliate marketers not taking. And so I just want to go through a couple of those steps with you today. So most people miss the most important step and they don't implement list building on their affiliate marketing sites. See, what happens is if someone comes to your affiliate marketing site and they might click on a link and they might come back and purchase from you later. But what happens if they don't actually come back and purchase from you later? What happens if they never come back to your site? That's that marketing lost there. That might be search engine optimization, it might be Facebook marketing, it might be any source of marketing, but that contact is lost. So what we want to do is always have an opt-in on our site. We always must have an opt-in. We always must have a pop-up on our affiliate marketing sites because a lot of affiliate marketing sites have a lot of information on there. There's links, there's articles, there's a lot of busy information. So what we need to do is we need to make it very, very clear for our prospects to see the pop-up, to see this information that they can potentially get for free by opting in and giving their name and email address. Also, in addition to a pop-up, we should also have a widget bar, a sidebar opt-in as well, so that there's another option to capture people's data. Remember, the reason why we capture people's data is so that we can continue to develop the relationship with them. We want to continue developing a relationship via email, sending them content, sending them free stuff, sending them specials, that sort of thing, so that we can, continue to build on that. Remember, in retail, it takes 1 to 3 interactions with a customer to make a sale, and online, it takes 5 to 7 interactions with our customer. So it doesn't matter if we're selling our own product or if we're selling somebody else's product, we still want to get those 5 to 7 interactions by capturing their details into a list so that we can continue developing our relationship. Now, the final thing that a lot of people miss and that I want you to start implementing ASAP is a customer autoresponder. So a customer autoresponder, what I mean here is not just having an autoresponder for opt-in, but also having an autoresponder for customers when someone purchases. And what I suggest you do is use a slightly manual process and actually ask your affiliate program for customer notifications. And what that means is when someone purchases as a result of clicking on one of your links, you get a notification from the affiliate program to say, Jason Buckner has purchased such and such product from you, and then you can manually take them out of the prospects autoresponder and subscribe to them to the customer one, so that you can continue developing that customer relationship. Because our customers or people that purchase are certainly more qualified leads than prospects, and just because we're selling someone else's product shouldn't change that system whatsoever. We should still be communicating with them. In fact, probably even more because they're more qualified now. Let's have a look at how we do that in World Internet Office. So in World Internet Office, what we want to do is set up our autoresponders. Now, I'm just going to do the basic setup for an autoresponder because you all know how to do the autoresponders in here now already. Show you one very important step. Okay, campaign name will be prospects in this case. We set up our autoresponder from me and then we send that on. We skip past this one as we usually do because we have double opt-in turned off, and here's where we put in our messages. But for today, I just want to show you the important parts. You can all come back and put in your messages later. And we click on next here and we've got our prospects autoresponder. Then what we're going to do is just create a new one, and this is going to be our customers autoresponder for our affiliate program. And we'll call it customers in here as well, and we'll set it up in just the same way. But what we do is when we get through to the messages, we still put in a thank you message. Thank you for purchasing such and such product. I recommend these products through an affiliate program, and I would love to get your feedback on what you thought of the product. How good was it? That sort of information. Continue developing the relationship with people that purchase from one of your referrals, even though it's not your product. Definitely a must. Click on next here. This is the important one. We're going to unsubscribe from in this one. So what we're going to do is just find that original autoresponder that I've just set up, the prospects one, which is that one there. I've just called it a simple name for this video so we can all see exactly what we do. So what that means is when someone gets subscribed to this autoresponder campaign, they automatically get taken out of the prospects one. So if we're going to keep selling them the product that they've bought, that's annoying. But in this case, we can manually take them out. So we click on next, and we've got our 2 autoresponders. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to look up me as that contact. We're going to assume that I've opted into the first one, and I'm going to show you how to opt me out of that one and put me into, so opt me out of the prospects and put me into the customer's autoresponder. So we just go to contacts and manage contacts, and I'm just going to look myself up there. So I'm just going to do a search here, and there I am. As I say, from our autoresponder, we create an opt-in and we put that onto our site. Jason Buckner here has opted in to the prospects autoresponder. We go to the autoresponder tab here, and you can see down here, prospects, and I've just opted into this one. So what we want to do now is actually subscribe me, just say that I've received an email from the affiliate program that says Jason Buckner has purchased this particular product that we're trying to get people to purchase here. So we don't want to sell it to them anymore in our prospects autoresponder. So we want to subscribe me to the customer autoresponder. So you get the email, you do a search for the customer that's purchased from you, and then you look them up, and you just literally do this. You scroll through and you choose customer. So I've just jumped over that. Let's go back just a moment. I'm just going to cancel that. We find the person that was in the prospects autoresponder that we've been marketing to, and they bought our product, or they bought the affiliate product we'd been referring. And then we click on the subscribe to new autoresponder button here. We choose the autoresponder, which in this case is just the basic customer one, but you'll have a customer one for the specific products that you're sending to. Now I'm just going to leave this as day 0 in here because there are no messages in there yet, but you will put messages into your autoresponder, and then I click on subscribe. Now it will take a little bit of time for the process, about half an hour for the process, but basically what this has done is it's subscribed me to the customer autoresponder here, and then it will also subscribe as a part of subscribing me to the customer autoresponder, because we selected that unsubscribe link, it will also remove me from the prospects one. Okay, a little bit of time has passed there now, and a couple of screen refreshes. And you can see here now that I'm just in the customer autoresponder, and I'm no longer in the prospects autoresponder, just like that. Now I know it's a little bit of a manual process, and we could automate that process even more, specifically using something like Zapier. If an email comes into our Gmail email account that satisfies all of the needs, it can look us up in World Internet Office and then unsubscribe or subscribe us to the customer autoresponder. That's a little bit more complex step, but start with the manual process, and if you're getting a lot of sales, then we can look at automating that process for you as well. So if you want to learn more about how to automate your affiliate marketing business, just click on the link below, and I've got some free training for you. It goes for about 45 minutes, and I can show you the 7 steps that I suggest you use to automating your affiliate marketing business.